Okay guys, we're going to start looking at the coordinate points of the unit circle. So here I have just the first quadrant and a triangle that is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if we look at this, we have our 30-degree angle here. Up at the top is our 60-degree angle and our 90-degree at the bottom. And then we just talked about how special right triangles work for our 30, 60, 90 triangles. So because we're working in a unit circle, our hypotenuse is 1. To go from the hypotenuse to the short side, we're dividing it by 2, so that's 1/2. And then to get from the short to the long, we multiply by square root of 3. So this would be the square root of 3 over 2. Times the square root of 3 times 1/2 is the square root of 3 over 2. And so if we take this triangle with the given properties, we can find these coordinate points. So the first point is our x value followed by our y value. Our x value for our triangle is going to be square root of 3 over 2. And then the y value is the height, so 1/2. So the coordinate point at 30 degrees is going to be square root of 3 over 2, comma, 1/2. And we can do this for all of our triangles. So if I go ahead and move our triangle now, let's go ahead and create our next triangle. So this point is going to get moved up to here, and we'll just move this around right around here. This is now going to be our 45, 45, 90 triangle, or the closest I can get to it anyway. Perfect. And so with a 45, 45, 90 triangle, we're still working in a unit circle. Because this is 1, to get our sides, we're going to divide that by square root of 2, but we need to rationalize those denominators. So we get 1 over square root of 2. To rationalize the denominator, we're going to multiply top and bottom by the same thing, and the by multiplying it by the same square root, we get square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4, which is 2. So we end up with square root of 2 over 2. And that's going to be our side lengths. That was supposed to be a 2. So we're going to get square root of 2 over 2 on that side, and same on the other side because of the properties of our special right triangles. So this second coordinate point is square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2, excuse me, over 2. So that would be our second one. First one, again, was square root of 3 over 2 and 1/2. And then our last triangle, feel free to pause this at any time. If we go ahead and grab, get rid of the 1, go ahead and grab our triangle, remove it to our last point, and as close as I can get to a 90. This triangle is now going to be our 60-degree angle, which makes this the 30. And if you notice, it's just the same as the first one that we did. The only difference now is that the triangle's rotated a little bit. So our side lengths are still going to be the same. This down here is our 1/2, and the other side is our square root of 3 over 2. And then we just get our coordinate points. So the x value, right, how far across we're going, is 1/2. And then our y value, how far up and down, is square root of 3 over 2. So it's just the opposite. You'll notice that on that first point, we had square root of 3 over 2 and then 1/2. They're just the opposites of each other.